Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Fusion. Stock number is A8152. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far that you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.